Hey, in this tutorial I will show you how to create automatic subtitles for your video in Premiere Pro. To get started, I have some audio already laid out on my timeline that I would like to create automatic subtitles for.
Welcome to The Tonight Show. This is the first Tonight Show broadcast from New York in over 40 years.
To get started, if you head up to Window and select Text, click on the Transcribe button and allow it to load, and once completed, click on the Create Captions button. In the pop-up window, click and expand on the captioning preference and change the maximum length in characters to 10 and adjust the minimum duration in seconds to 1.2. Finally, change the lines to single and then click on Create Captions.
Welcome to The Tonight Show. This is the first Tonight Show broadcast from New York in over 40 years.
In order to change the style of your text, make sure it is selected in the timeline. Head back up to Window, click on Properties. Here, you're able to customize the text size, color, and font to whatever suits your project.
Welcome to The Tonight Show. This is the first Tonight Show broadcast from New York in over 40 years.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.